Hello and welcome. You're now looking at Shopify.com. And Shopify is an e-commerce platform that will allow you to sell both physical and digital products, whether you import them from a marketplace or you sell them directly from the site you create in Shopify. It provides tools for you to manage the entire process, including payment and shipping. And it has a number of plug-in applications that will allow you to customize it to sell, market, and administer your business. The company has various pricing plans. In some cases, some business owners may opt for the Shopify Lite plan. This allows you to add products to your website or blog and to accept credit card payments for a smaller monthly maintenance fee. That plan also allows you to sell in person and to collect payments. So it's a good idea to look at Shopify Lite before you move on to some of the higher price plans with more features. In terms of the other plans, you'll want to note the comparison between them in terms of what you'll be paying every month and what your business will need. As you can see, starting with the lowest price plan can be beneficial until you need the features of the middle tier or higher plan. You can start the process by going to any of the pricing plan page and clicking on the free trial. Now what you'll notice is that you can start a free trial of Shopify without having to use a credit card in order to enter. However, there will be some features that you'll be limited in using before you'll enter your payment method. So we are going to start the process with an email address, password, and a store name. Once you have your information entered, you can then create your store. You'll then be asked to fill out a wizard. Once you do that, you'll then click Next. You'll then need to give Shopify information about your business, and you are then ready to begin the Shopify setup process. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.